sorry for that. Drop asleep, you don't know.
But I take full responsibility for everything.
I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things.
Sorry about that.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Yo, this Elephant Man, the energy god, you know, sending some positive message your way. And I just want to say, I really sincerely apologize to the staff at the Sangsters International Airport and the Minister of Health and the people of Jamaica. I also want to apologize for any misunderstanding in the way I incorrectly completed the form. After my long journey, I actually put the last country I arrived from as the opposed to all the countries I attended in the last 6 weeks. Sorry for that. Drop asleep, you don't know. See, I have spoken to the authorities and I am self-quarantined at home. I went directly home after leaving the airport and I have not left my house since. I ask for your complete understanding. You understand? And I apologize again. I apologize one more time to the people and the government of Jamaica. And just want you to know that I would never put anyone's life at risk intentionally. I would never intentionally put no one life at risk. Peace, big up to everybody from Jamaica. Love to the fans them every time. Bless.
2 days later.
This is your bad boy, Trevor. In light of everything that took place, my apology. I said before, what I did was a wrong, uncalculated move and very selfish to host a party of such event in a time when coronavirus is going around. But I take full responsibility for everything. Now, it's important that you obey all the laws and protocols that the government set in place in light of this coronavirus. It's a serious epidemic that's coming around and can affect everybody. My bad, my judgment, my wrong, my responsibility. Now it's my chance to tell you, do the right thing. Social distance is important, sanitize yourself and keep yourself safe. Okay? Don't go against what the government is trying to do. It's a wrong move and I apologize. This is me. Not begging a pardon. We're trying to do the right thing out of a bad situation. I was brought upon because I'm an influential person in Jamaica. My voice speaks a lot.
4 to 6 days later.
And we'll pick the water. The police, Andrew's can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there. Life, me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is you can't have a control again, walk on control, man. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew in them, since bad man friends to there. We not going up tonight.
A few moments later.
SSP Ops.
Last night, yeah.
Last night?
Go ahead.
Right. No, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can stand down on the record. He was on the bed hiding, but we found him.
Man, this is a big police.
Alright, come.
Find him.
Miss Blake.
So now go in, see man.
The next day.
Yes, good evening, Jamaica. My name is Dimitri. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Conservative Force. My behavior was outright and disrespectful. The things I said is not worthy to repeat, but I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things. As a result, I want to sincerely apologize to the Jamaica Conservative Force, the Prime Minister, the hard-working men and women of the Jamaica Conservative Force. And I want all Jamaicans to take this coronavirus, COVID-19, very serious and applied by the rules and regulations marked said by the Prime Minister. Alright, to all my friends, them family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, I want to tell you the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19 is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke. And I took it very serious, but I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already, I mean, I tell you no. They must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it. And again, I'm very sorry and I apologize to the whole Jamaica, the JCF, and the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness.
A few moments later.
Yo, everybody go let them free the Andrew Holness and the police. Me not afraid of Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. Police, me a bad man. You don't know if you find me. 350 Julius Road, Arnett Garden, Kingston 12. Me nah run. Police go any police boy come for me. Bullet. Andrew Holness, you did ask me for lockdown Jamaica. You want lockdown Jamaica, you can't tell me to come off of the road. Andrew Holness, Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. Come look for me now. Me nah run. See me ya? Tattoo everything I show Andrew Holness. You can't come tell bad man for come off the street. You come look for me and say for Jamaica depend fully lockdown if you come. Cause bullet me I go now. Any police boy who feel like they want to come touch me door, make sure say no come bulletproof from head to toe or on the ear bulletproof cause me I go to bullet 350 Julius Road me there. Me not afraid of nobody. Everybody I talk about lockdown and when I come for people, come for me. Me a bad man. Andrew Holness go boy Andrew Holness, me a PMP. Me no respect no labor. Andrew go police go every police in Jamaica, me no care. Me a bad man. Come look for me now. Me done talk, I yes on me there. 350 Julius Road, me not moving. You don't know what I mean? You don't know me? Me a bad man. Oh, come now.
The next day.
What's going on, people? Back again. Last night I put out a video on my Facebook page and I know it gone viral and people in Jamaica take it serious, especially I think the government and the police constabulary force. And I just want to let everybody know it was just all a joke. It was nothing serious. You know, I get the video on my phone last night and I just jump out my car and I just out of the heat at the moment. I just made that video and I send it out. As you know, always on YouTube and Twitter, all these pages talking about stuff, blogging about stuff, but just want to let everybody know, just keep calm. I didn't mean anything by it. It was purely a joke. I was just mimicking what happened to the guys them in I think it was Ola Bar, Spanish Town. I'm not even quite sure. I know I just realized that this video gone viral and you know people taking it serious and stuff like that. So just to let Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Constabulary Force know that I didn't mean anything by it and it was pure joke, you know. Like I said, I always blogging and stuff on the social media, and I hope everybody just listen to what the Prime Minister says. Stay indoors because this coronavirus is really serious. Now I'm in England and people are dying left, right, and centre. Our death toll gone up over 500 people dying a day. So you know this coronavirus is really, really serious, and you know. Sorry for coming out and just making fun of it, but I know how really, really serious this is. So I just want everybody to stay indoors, follow what the Prime Minister say, and just keep her calm. I didn't mean anything by it. And like I said, Andrew Holness, Jamaica Constabulary Force, I have my sincere apology for the swearing that I was swearing and calling your name. But like I said, it was pure joke I was doing it for. So I hope everybody can just forget about this one. I will just can move on and concentrate on dealing with the coronavirus. So sorry about that. Thank you. Bye.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.